Greg.
All right, Savannah, thank you so much. We've been tracking the wind on this as well, kind of where we are with the conditions closer to the surface. And it's been ranging anywhere from about 26, 27 miles per hour, all the way up to about 45 to almost 50 miles per hour. So we've got some gusto with this storm system here. And again, allowing for the amplification of maybe a bit of rotation here, now actually kind of transitioning that potential rotation to just on the fringe line of Pettis County here, again on its way towards Cooper County and then maybe around the Pilot Grove area. Even though obviously this would be outside the viewing region, you know, if you do have friends and family in these locations, maybe off around Pilot Grove, let them know, hey, heads up, time to get to that safe place now. It's well worthwhile to do so. Even though we haven't gotten confirmation of something like this being on the ground, we definitely don't want to mess around with this. This is a tornado warning. It is radar indicated just north and just east of Sedalia here, transitioning to the northeast on its way into Cooper County. This is going to be up until about 9:30 in the morning as it continues to transition, and its speed, its rate at which it's traveling to the northeast, somewhere between about 50 to 55 miles per hour. The wind within the storm has been registering anywhere from nearly 30 miles per hour up to nearly 50 miles per hour. So we've already got strong wind with this. And as you can see over the past hour, there's been a lot of lightning, a lot of thunderstorm activity in general with this system, a lot of rainfall, and we've been dealing with plenty of hail as well off of this. In fact, we do have a nice hail swath that's coming through at the same time that we are monitoring for that rotation. I'm going to bring up the hail right now just to show you the tracker for it, and there it is. It doesn't look like much, kind of the coloration that we've got here in this gray, but that's the formation of hail. It registers in our radar system anywhere from the size of about a pea to potentially the size of a quarter. It's more likely about the size of a nickel with the kind of colorations that we're dealing with. Typically, if we see colors of maybe white or blues, for example, that would be those larger type of hailstones where we get to the size of a quarter, a $50, then all the way up to hen egg, tennis ball, so on and so forth. But this has been more the smaller hail, but when you have this in combination with one another, right? So we're talking about hail, we're talking about rainfall, a lot of thunderstorm activity, lightning involved with it. We've got windy conditions ranging gusts anywhere from 25 to 50 miles per hour. And then you tack on the fact that there is some form of rotation to the atmosphere. It becomes very difficult to see if that maybe tornado is on the ground or not by the naked eye itself. This is something that could be more of a rain wrap situation. It's something that will continue to obviously divulge information as it comes into us here at the Weather Center. There it is again. We're still monitoring it about here.
It actually looks like they just canceled that for
Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, it looks like we've just canceled it. I don't know if you guys heard that from Savannah over there at the Weather Center, but she just gave us the information. And yeah, it's very difficult to see with this. Let me go ahead and get on the radar here so it's a bit easier for us to all see. Yep, there it is. We have now officially gotten rid of our section of the tornado warning from our viewing area. It is still in association with Cooper County, moving over towards the Pilot Grove region. Again, if you've got friends and family in these locations, please let them know to get to their safe place. For the time being, that is as big as it's gotten right now within our viewing area for any kind of inclement weather for tornado warnings or significant severe thunderstorm warnings. So let's go ahead and take this opportunity to get you back over to My KC Live. Kerrigan, to you.